Hey, welcome to the video. This video is just going to be a really simple, really easy vegan everyday makeup routine, like no makeup type of thing. This is it. So if you want to watch my vegan kind of zero waste makeup routine, just stick around. Got to let you in, fall, I'll let you go. I'm giving it up for me. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna brush my hair back so that it's out of the way, because you can tell it's not cute right now. Okay, so this is fully vegan, and so if you've watched other get readys with me, you'll see that obviously not all of my makeup is vegan. However, in this video, I am only going to use makeup that is vegan. And so I'm starting by priming and moisturizing with my Imperialis moisturizer from Lush. Some stuff is zero waste, some stuff isn't, so like that could be considered zero waste because I will be returning the pot when I'm done with it, and they can reuse it. So yeah. But not everything vegan is going to be zero waste in this. And then I'm going to take my Tarte creaseless concealer and just use it on my under eyes and anywhere where I'm like, ooh, that has a pimple, or is like a problem area. And then I just want to asterisk this because I called it my everyday vegan makeup routine, which is I am a college student, in case you were unaware and you're new here. I am a college student. I am a freshman at a tech school in New England, and so I do not wear makeup every day because if I'm gonna get up for my 9 a.m. class, I am certainly not going to be putting on makeup for it. Honestly, one thing I noticed that I do is I kind of, the way my schedule is, it's like I have some classes in the morning, and then I usually have lunch and like a good 2-3 hour break, and then my final class of the day, which is just because that is the only time that class is available. I probably would not have done that if I would have given myself an hour for lunch and then done an earlier class. But I'm taking a class that is only offered once. There's only one class, and so I can't do that, and so yeah. But what I've noticed is that I will wear nice clothes for the first couple classes, and then by lunch I'm usually okay, I'm gonna change out of this into a pair of yoga pants, whether or not I go to the gym, which I do go to the gym usually during my 3-hour break. Okay, so that was the creaseless concealer from Tarte, and so now I'm gonna go in with my contour and highlight and blush palette, which is Radiance Powders from Pacifica Beauty. This is also zero waste. The packaging is cardboard, and the I forget the name, the wells, I think is what they're called, are metal. They're metal tins, and so it's completely zero waste. And so I'm just gonna do a little bit of the glimmer, which is this one, on my eyes like this, not on my eyes, on my cheeks in the normal highlight area, and I go from here up here for this one, and I just get that whole area highlighted, and then I go back in with the rose gold shimmer, and I use it almost like a glittery blush, and I just do it right there, and then I'll go in with the actual Sunset Matte blush, and I'll just perfect. And then I'm going to use the Desert Matte, which is the contour right here. And so when I say this is I would argue that this is not a no makeup look, that it's just a small amount of makeup look. But I've seen a lot of no makeup looks that have a lot of makeup, and you can definitely tell that they're wearing makeup. So I don't really understand why it's a no makeup look. Or what constitutes as a no makeup look. And then I'm gonna blend out my contour like this, I don't, so yeah, like I said, I don't really understand. Use the sponge a little bit. I like a very well blended contour because I like it to not be super intense. Yeah, okay, we're fine with that. And now, if you are interested in eye makeup, if you like eye makeup, you can do this step. If not, skip this step. This is the e.l.f. palette. It's vegan. It's nude rose gold. If I'm trying to do like a less makeup, no makeup look, I usually stay on the lighter side. But I really have been loving this color for fall. It's like a matte purplish color, and I really like using that as my base coat in the fall because it's just like a darker color and I really enjoy it. It's just like the mood I'm trying to have in the fall, and then I usually will use the gold or the pink on top of it. Usually the gold right now because I don't know, it matches the autumn feels. I might go back to the pink for like December when it gets like a little bit like more Christmassy. But yeah, that would be it for eyeshadow, but this is obviously not zero waste because e.l.f. palettes are plastic, but it is zero and a drugstore, so it's pretty cheap. I realize now that I don't have the next thing, so I will. Okay, so the next thing I use is coconut oil. It does not have to be this coconut oil. This is just the one that was cheapest at the grocery store, and I am a college student, and so cheapities make me happy. And coconut oil, you might be like coconut oil as a whole is like expensive, but I use it for so much stuff that I feel like it's worth it. Like right now I'm putting it on my lips and I just am using it as a lip balm. I think it works a lot better than other things. I find that if I put that on my lips at morning and at night, they stay non-chapped versus me having a chapstick that I reapply every like hour. And then the other thing I do is I take this old mascara brush from Tarte. It was the Lights Camera Splashes, so like the waterproof one. If you want to see me review it, I reviewed it in an empties video up here, but I just take that and I put it on the spoolie, and then this is how I do my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So I do my eyelashes first because I don't want as much coconut oil on my eyebrows because it will just like stay there. Yeah. Okay, so just go. And if you have an eye curler, you should use it. I just forgot mine in my dorm. I'm like staying at one of my friend's houses right now because we get a week off in between terms, and she invited me for a sleepover / sleep in a real bed, and so that's what I'm doing right now. Which has been fun. Okay, and then eyebrows. I just go like up for like some fluffiness, and then I just like push them back into place. So they're all going the same direction. Okay. But yeah, that's vegan, and if you get a coconut oil in a glass bottle in a metal jar, which is what I suggest doing, it is zero waste. Obviously look for a company that is certified organic, fair trade, all that good stuff, because like, yeah. And then after that I use my Ulta finishing powder. This is the vegan one. There are two. I think there are two, I don't know, but this is the vegan one. That's all that I care about. And I just put it over everything because I like a matte finish, I feel like. Especially like maybe in the summer I was like not feeling the matte finish, but honestly in the summer I was still doing this because I sweat in the summer. And so yeah, just and that's the look. It's very simple. It's very fun. It's just no makeup. And then for hair brushing, I just use a little wooden comb that I borrowed from someone. I usually use a plastic comb, but I borrowed this wooden comb, and I've really been liking it, and so yeah, I might ask for one for Christmas or just like steal this one. It's one of the two. I am kidding. I just want it noted. But yeah, no, I'm probably gonna try to find myself a good wooden comb. preferably secondhand, but possibly not. Okay. So yeah, that's it. It's a no makeup, so yeah, you get a little bit of highlight, you get a little bit of contour. My eyes are a little dark because I did eyes, but honestly, like, this took me, like, not very long to do.